Here's how to connect a UBI key to your 1Password account. Let's get to it. So before we go over to the website, I need to connect the UBI key to the port. So I'm just going to take it like this and connect it onto it like that. Now on the website, we go over to 1Password and log into it. After that, on the top right, you can press on this profile icon and then click on manage account. Or you can scroll down and in vaults, you can go inside your personal vault or any vault. And then if you're inside it, on the top left, you can press on your profile icon and then go over to manage account. These are two ways to go inside manage account. So click on it. Then it's going to take you over to this manage account page. Scroll down and you're going to find more actions over here on the left hand side. So I'm going to press on this and press on manage two-factor authentication. Click here. Then over here, you're going to find two options, Authenticator app and security key. So we're going to click on this add a security key over here. Now we can name the security key, something like this, SB1Pass, and then press on next. Now you can save the pass key. You can click here to save it. It's only possible if you've got the Chrome extension, and I'm going to show you how to add that as well later. I'm just going to close it from here, and it's going to pop up this Windows security option. You can save your security key from here, change, save your pass key to this Windows device or security key. I'm going to press on the security key, and then you need to touch your security key. On your security key, you're going to find that the security key is now blinking in the middle. So we just need to press on it once, like this, and that's it. Now we have connected our UBI key to 1Password, and I can just press on this done button, scroll down here. I've got this SB1Pass security key added. And whenever you go into a new device and want to log in there, you need to connect your UBI key and then you need to press on that middle golden plate in order to log into your account on that device. And yeah, that's it. That's how to connect UBI key to your 1Password account. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more 1Password related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.